Welcome. In this video, we'll break down T-Mobile's coverage map as of March 2026. We'll explore what the map tells us about their network, recent improvements, and what the future holds for T-Mobile coverage across the United States. T-Mobile's coverage map is a dynamic representation of their network's capabilities, showing where users can expect reliable connectivity based on signal strength and infrastructure. As of March 2026, T-Mobile's LTE service covers approximately 99.5% of the U.S. population. Their 5G network boasts nationwide coverage for mid-band sub-6 GHz, reaching about 320 million people. Millimeter wave 5G is available in over 1,000 cities and towns, covering roughly 250 million people. These numbers reflect significant growth due to the integration of Sprint's network and spectrum expansions. The coverage map uses color-coded overlays to indicate signal strength: green for strong, yellow for moderate, and red for weak. Coverage is also divided by frequency bands. Low band, 600 MHz, offers wide area reach. Mid-band, sub-6 GHz, balances speed and range, and high-band, millimeter wave, provides ultra-fast speeds in dense areas. Knowing these differences can help you understand the quality of your connection in different locations. A major development was the full integration of Sprint's network by mid-2025. This eliminated coverage gaps and boosted speeds, especially in the Midwest and rural South. Additionally, T-Mobile has activated additional C-band spectrum from 3.7 to 3.98 GHz, leading to faster 5G speeds in urban centers. These improvements are directly reflected in the expanded coverage areas shown on the map. T-Mobile's coverage map highlights roaming agreements with partners like Verizon through 5G nationwide for extended reach, particularly in rural areas. Understanding these roaming agreements is crucial for users who travel frequently or live in areas with limited T-Mobile infrastructure. Looking ahead, T-Mobile aims for 100% U.S. 5G coverage by 2027, including rural areas via fixed wireless access expansions. Building on their partnership with Starlink, T-Mobile is integrating satellite-backed roaming for remote areas, aiming for coverage across the continental U.S. by late 2026. These advancements are setting the stage for ubiquitous connectivity. In urban areas like New York City, T-Mobile's millimeter wave 5G covers 95% of Manhattan, enabling AR gaming and 4K streaming. In rural regions like West Virginia, T-Mobile's build-out has added 5G to 80% of previously LTE-only areas, boosting speeds from 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps and providing home internet via fixed wireless access. These examples illustrate how coverage improvements are impacting different communities, from enabling advanced urban applications to bringing reliable internet to rural homes. Experts highlight T-Mobile's strong position in 5G due to their spectrum strategy, while also noting the need to address rural disparities. For the most current coverage information, always visit T-Mobile's official website or app. Coverage maps are dynamic and can change, so regularly checking for updates is recommended to ensure you have the most accurate information.